What is Jamaica? Jamaica is rum and red stripe beer. Jamaica is cola champagne and manish water and pepper pot soup. Jamaica is jerk pork and scotch bonnet pepper and hard-dough bread and fry fish and bami. Cocoa bread and patty. Jamaica is cornmeal dumpling, dasheen, yam, cocoa, ackee and saltfish, black mango, hairy mango, number 11 mango, star apple, dokono, dip and fall back, rundown. Jamaica is bulla and pear, toto, saltfish fritters, pepper shrimps, blue draws, roast breadfruit and corn pork. Jamaica is escovitch fish, oxtail, tripe and beans. Jamaica is jackfruit, June plum, berry, star apple, custard apple, sweet and soursop, rose apple, and of course the hot-heat apple, what we call the Ethiopian apple, thinking toe, guinea pan hog plum. Jamaica, Jamaica nice man. Jamaica is mint balls, icy mint, bustamante jack backbone, or we call jackass corn or donkey jawbone, paradise plum, asham, drops, gizzarda, and greater cake. Hi, gizzarda, greater cake. Jamaica is bun and cheese, sorrel, and liquor rum punch and rum cake. You ever get the sorrel with the rum in it? Jamaica is Miss Lou Mass Run. Jamaica is Anansi and Big Boy Stories. Jamaica is Grand Market Night. Jamaica is Irie, Nyabingi, Bogo Yaga, Lego Beast, Bonononos. Jamaica is Dandy Shandy, playing Ludo, and a quick 6 of dominoes. Jamaica is Ital Stew, strong back and chainy root, Irish Moss, Cersei or herb tea, castor oil, moho or mojo herb, or senna, and salts at the end of summer. A good washout. Jamaica is blouse and skirt, kin pupalik, rotted, blowout, jeez you whiz guzum. Jamaica is cool runnings, season second, all and pull up, and enough respect. Jamaica is suck and sky juice. Jamaica is with little but with talawa. Jamaica is where I say, what a guan, how it a go. Jamaica is bullbuck and duppy conqueror. Jamaica is zinc fence and gully water. Jamaica is sour sap. Jamaica is stop the cow balling in the place. Jamaica is whatever sweet you go sour you, or where sweet nanny goat a go running belly. Jamaica is where you no keep by your mouth. Jamaica is a hell and powder house down here today. Jamaica is no make me spit and it dry up before you come back. Jamaica is blouse and skirt and kiss me neck back. Jamaica is everything and much, much more. Jamaica is the beautiful land we love in the Caribbean Sea. If your heart smiles when you hear this, then you might be a true Jamaican at heart. Remember, you know, Jamaica feel we own. Yeah? Like I do when I say J-O-P, Jamaica our place, Nowhere in the world no better than yard. No lie. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section below and tell me how this reading make you feel. Some subscribers sent this to me and said if you like it, pass it on. And I would like to thank that subscriber for sending it to me because I truly like it. So I compiled a series of pictures to make you really think about Jamaica, and I am passing it on. Hear me, say people. It's 2019, right? We have left 2018 behind and we are looking forward into the future. That means as the world develops and as technology advances and as third world countries seek to become places on earth where they have the same rights and privileges, material things and technology to save lives and so on and so forth, along with the first world countries, we as Jamaicans are going to take Jamaica and step forward into the future. Yeah, with our heads held high and our shoulders square and the proud people that we are. Many have come and paved the way for us. We stand on the shoulders of giants. Hail Marcus Mosiah Garvey, big up Bob Marley and all the others. Alright? And as we look forward to the future here in 2019, we are going to say, big up on yourself, Jamaicans at home and abroad and around the world and all our friends. Yeah? And we say Iron. And we say one love. Yeah? And we say, God bless. Up, up, up. SouFlo, I'm out.